Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up your Amazon Echo with routines and notifications. Begin by ensuring your device is plugged in and powered on. Download the Amazon Alexa app from your device's app store if you haven't done so already. Open the app and sign in with your Amazon account credentials. Once logged in, tap on the device's icon at the bottom of the screen. Select Echo and Alexa to view your available Echo devices. Choose the specific Echo device you want to set up routines for. In the device settings, look for the option labeled Routines and tap on it. To create a new routine, tap on the plus icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Now you need to select a trigger for your routine. You can choose from a variety of options such as voice commands, schedules, or device actions. For example, if you select voice, you would enter a specific phrase to activate the routine. Next, tap on Add Action to specify what you want Alexa to do. You can choose actions like playing music, providing news updates, or controlling smart home devices. After selecting your desired action, customize it as needed. Once you have added all desired actions, tap on Next to review your routine. Make sure everything is set up correctly, then name your routine for easy identification. Tap Save to finalize the routine setup. Now, let's move on to setting up notifications. Return to the main menu in the Amazon Alexa app, and select Settings from the sidebar. Scroll down and tap on Notifications. Here, you can choose different types of notifications to enable. Select any skills or services you want to receive notifications from. Make sure to toggle on the notifications for each service, if applicable. Once you've enabled notifications, test them to ensure they're working properly. You can do this by asking your Echo device for a summary of your notifications. Your Amazon Echo is now set up with both routines and notifications, ready to enhance your daily experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.